Today we're going to look at some tournament play, which is basically 1v1 or 2v1. And as usual, on the IL-2 Battle of Stalingrad series, this tournament is put on by Top Dog. I'm just going to run through the basics of how to get into the tournament, how to register, how to fly, how to win, and how to have fun. The first thing you have to do is to register your wingman and yourself early because the spots will fill up quickly. Next, you need to connect to their Discord server and read the rules. If you don't read the rules and make a mistake, you'll be disqualified, so read the rules. And there you will also find links to download the red and blue skins which are required for the fight, and any other briefing materials that you might need, such as the contestant list. So if you're registered and your skins are downloaded, then you're ready to fight. You'll find your first slated opponent. You'll log into the Discord briefing voice channel. And when you and your opponents are ready to start, you both go down to a selected channel. Channel numbers are consistent with the dueling squares on the map. So channel 4 means dueling square number 4. One of you agrees to take blue, the other agrees to take red, and then off you go. And you must stay within the boundaries. Both teams will be flying the same identical aircraft. The only difference is one's painted red and the other's painted blue. When you've chosen your aircraft and you and your opponents are ready to start, you'll start at the same time. This is done on the chat on the left-hand side of the screen, and normally one says ready, the other says yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, spawn in.
Lights on, I'm to your right.
2, 3, 4, 5, lights off.
Where's the second guy? Oh, there they are.
Him. He's got his lights on still, he doesn't know that.
Yeah.
They both got lights on.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I just turned them off.
I'm gonna go for the low guy.
Okay, I'll go for the guy on the left.
Okay, he's peeling up right. Guy's turning in on me. I'm diving down.
Oh, he got a hit on you, shit.
That's okay. Yeah, I'm damaged. Sorry.
I'm on fire. I'm on fire.
Okay. Yeah.
Trying to even the odds here for you.
Good. Let's do that. I bailed. Scoring is calculated on the best of 5 between opponents. In this one it was 3-0 to our opponents, so they went to the next round. The winner will then report back to the briefing room and the scores will be calculated and entered onto the sheet. And each winner progresses to the next round until finally there is only one top dog. Some of the opponents are extremely good fighter pilots. We actually made it to round 2 before we were eliminated. And I'm sure that moving forward, as these tournaments progress and get more popular, there will be some cash prizes. You'll even end up with a participation diploma. But right now, it's just a bit of fun. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.